Welcome to Airbnb 101 with Heidi Sowens. My name is Heidi Sowens and I am the co-founder of Made by Sowens along with my husband, Juan Carlos Enriquez. And this company that we have made, we actually made to provide very different services for Airbnb, specifically for short-term rentals. So the products and services that we have provided are consultations. We also have our Side Hustles conference. We also have our Side Hustles podcast. And we have been offering workshops for over 2 years now. We do have a construction company, and we do remodel and renovations specifically for Airbnbs. And we have been live streaming on YouTube and Facebook for quite some time now. So you guys are welcome to go and check us out on all of our social media at EPTX Airbnb, Airbnb Network, and you can find us at YouTube. It's called Made by Sowens or Sowens. You can find us also on Twitter. This is the perfect course for you if you are looking into starting your Airbnb.